Hey guys, so since today is December 25th, aka Christmas Day, we are going to be opening up Blooket's Blizzard Pack that's only available for this month with 17,849 coins that I got from grinding over the month. So anyway, possible video showcasing my new Christmas gifts later coming in the day. Who knows? But anyway, let's just get to the video. So we have 17,849 coins, and we're going to start opening. Oh no. Sorry for that interruption. It randomly signed me out. Let's turn instant open on, and now let's start the opening. We got holiday wreath, hot chocolate again, stocking, hot chocolate. Ooh, we got first epic snowman, holiday gift, stocking, gingerbread house, holiday gift, snow globe. All we're getting is kind of just uncommons and commons and stuff. Haven't gotten a Santa Claus or a chroma yet, but that'll probably come in later or something. Alright, let's just speed this up. This is taking a while. Alright guys, we got another snowman, but like probably not as impressive as getting our first Santa Claus, which haven't gotten yet. We just need to wait a little bit. And anyway, let's just go back to speeding this up. Alright guys, we got another snowman. We have 3 snowmans now, but still no Santa Claus, which we've been opening for about maybe like 1,000 coins, but like, and there goes our 4th snowman. We don't need any more snowmen. We just need a Santa Claus or a chroma, which probably won't take a while. And now we got our 5th snowman. Now it seems like just an uncommon. Like getting it 5 times isn't really that rare. Alright, now we're gonna speed this up. Oh my god, we got the Santa Claus. First Santa Claus, now we have a legendary. Let's go. So now we pretty much have all of them. And there goes our 6th snowman. So we're just gonna go check if we have everything. And yes, we do. We have everything. But we're still trying to grind for a chroma, which will probably take a while. Judging that now they have new chromas with the snowmans with the sweater. And now it has the rarest chroma in the game as a 0.01% chance, which is rarer than anything ever. So I probably won't get it, but it's a good attempt. Oh, we got another Santa Claus. I can sell all of these. And we've only gone through about 2,000 coins, so it's probably going to be a while before it finishes. So I guess we could perhaps just speed it up. Alright guys, we literally got our 7th snowman. It's not really that epic anymore, feels like. And now we got our 3rd Santa Claus, which we have all of the Blizzard Pack now, which meaning we could stop anytime we wanted, but we're still trying to get rid of all the coins to get possibly a chroma, the elf sweater, red sweater, blue sweater, and there goes our 8th snowman. It's not really as epic anymore. But like, we've been going for a while now, and maybe it would feel like to get a chroma, and now we have another snowman. Which the snowman again kind of boring. Like, it would go to like more in like an uncommon or a rare or something, not an epic. But like, anyways, I guess we can just speed this up again until something happens. Guys, we just got our 4th Santa Claus, which we don't really need the Santa Claus anymore, and we've only surprisingly gone through about 4,000 coins, which is not really a lot compared to the fact that we still have 13,000 coins left, and we have now about 10 snowman, which is kind of a bit much snowman. But like, we have way more of the uncommons. And now we have another Santa Claus. And we don't really need any of these anymore. Like, we can just get some of the chromas now, because like it'd be kind of time to get chroma, because we've been doing this for a while, but not as long for you, because the video sped up at some parts. But we've only gone through literally 4,000 coins, and we're not even halfway done yet, and it's probably been a while. But like, I guess we can just speed this up again until something happens. Alright guys, we only have about 12,000 coins left, and it's only been literally a few minutes, but we still have a lot more to go, because we started out with around 17,000, and we only have 12,000, so it'll probably just take a while, but we've been doing this for a while now. So, like, we've gotten like 5 Santa Clauses maybe, and then like a ton of snowman, and then just like, I don't know if I can count how many uncommons we've gotten, but like the only chroma I had was the ice slime, which I had for like a long time, until around Halloween, September, October, somewhere around that. I sold it because I wanted to unbox the Halloween pack, and well, I sold it, but then I started opening the Halloween pack at school, because this is kind of my school account. And well, I was unboxing it one day when we had free time, and I kind of just accidentally got the green gummy bear chroma, which was possibly only there for 1 year. So anyway, I had the rest of the spooky pack, but back when I was gonna make this a video around October, but I was gonna make a video of unboxing it on the 31st for Halloween, but well, the only problem was I tried to upload it, only it never loaded, so I couldn't upload it, and well, it just sort of became a lost video that I still have in my files around CapCut. Like, I still have it saved, but I never got around to uploading it. Plus, it's already December, and it's too late for Halloween. So I guess I'm never going to upload it. Because if you were there around October 31st, like, people like Mr. Snuggles Universe saw it while it was up for a little time. I'm like, yeah, I had to remove it. Anyway, like, so I had the ice slime chroma for like a while now. Like, I was hesitating to sell it, but I ended up doing it anyway. So I had no chromas for a while, and then the green gummy bear just popped up, and then I was like mind blown, because I had never gotten another chroma, and I didn't even remember getting the ice slime. So anyway, I guess we may just speed this up, because it's getting kind of boring. Oh, and we got another Santa Claus, so I guess we can just speed this up to when anything happens. And anyway, now we have less than 10,000 coins left. We're about maybe like halfway through. We're going to get halfway through soon, but anyway, even if we don't get a chroma, it would still be cool, because like we have to resell all of the duplicates that we have. So we can just buy some more and possibly get a chroma. But we're like almost halfway through, so I don't know if we are going to even get a chroma. But we might, so like just stay tuned till we get them, so we can just now speed this up finally. guys, we finally made about maybe halfway through the opening the packs, but still we haven't gotten a single chroma yet, although we've gotten a lot of legendaries and epics, like too many snowmans. Like, it's kind of too much. But whatever, I'll take it. If I can just sell them all for a lot of coins and then go ahead and get the Blizzard Pack again, since it's not going to be around until next December, which is a lot of time from now. But like, who knows? I might record it next year too and possibly get a chroma. Like, nobody knows. Anyway, now we only have about 8,000 coins left and still no chroma. But like, even if we don't get a chroma, it was still fun recording this because I hadn't done one of these ever until now, which I had just said I did one for Halloween, but I really didn't. I really didn't plan on doing it, but 3 days before Halloween, I started grinding because I saw YouTubers doing it, and I decided that I wanted to do it, so I recorded it, and it was only about 8 minutes long, but this one's going to be much longer than that. And the good thing is that a few months ago, I gotten verified, and I had gotten perms to pin comments and upload videos longer than 15 minutes. So anyway, that's cool because this is going to be way longer than 15 minutes, even with the sped up parts. But 7,000 coins, and we still haven't gotten a single chroma, but I'd actually started grinding this around the start of December, like December 5th or 2nd or something like that, because I played one of my games, and it was called Easiest Blooket Ever, where it was only one question, and it only had 2 answers, and both of them were right. So I could just spam click in one spot, and also, like, it was Fishing Frenzy, which is my favorite Blooket, and, like, you can never lose points on it, so it's kind of easy to get coins. So I just play it and then the weird thing is that, I got this new computer, and then I set the game to 30 minutes time, but instead it does it for an hour, which I don't think is kind of normal. I don't think it's normal, but anytime I set the game to a time, then it just sets the game to duplicate the time. So if I set it to 30 minutes, it'll set it to an hour. If I set it for 5 minutes, it'll set it to 10 minutes. If I do it for 1 minute, I'll set it to 2 minutes. So it's just kind of complicated, but I'll let it work. And anyway, we're more than halfway through. We still have 6,000 more coins left to open the pack with. And I don't really got anything else to say. Like, other than if you're watching this on Christmas or have any other holiday, like New Year's, like, that stuff. So happy holidays, everybody, from Cordy Cruz's channel. And, well, have a great time in your holidays or whatever, or all the traditions that if you have them. So I guess we can just speed this up again because we still have about 5,000 coins left and still no chroma. Alright guys, and we are back with not even 4,000. We have about 4,000 coins left to burn through, and we can still do it. Not too many more left, but maybe around do the math here. Maybe around a lot of boxes left, but even if we don't get a chroma, I'm still fine with it because now we don't have to open this pack anymore for next year's Christmas. But if there's new chromas, I don't know, I might open it, even though I I opened this pack last year, but I didn't get all of them because I didn't really have any coins to do it with. And I never got a Santa Claus or anything. So for Halloween, I just decided to sell them because, like, in the video, I had said Christmas always comes around and it's going to be in a few months anyway. And it turned out that it was coming way quicker than I thought. And New Year's is only in a couple of days, and I'm kind of excited for all the fireworks and, you know, all that stuff. So, not too far away. Anyway, one kid at my school who sits at the same table as me, we were playing Blooket one day, and then he was spinning the daily wheel, and then he got the 1,000, which is really rare, and it never happened to me before until a few days later. But he got the 1,000 spin, and then also what happened is that when he opened the Blizzard Pack right after, he got the Santa Claus on the first try, which has never happened before. So I guess he just got struck with some luck. And like, it was kind of cool to experience that because it never happened to me because I never got a Santa from the Blizzard Pack. But anyways, we still have 30 more than 2,000 coins to go through, so I guess we can just go speed this up again. Alright guys, now we're about around the amount that the most that I had for around Halloween, which the Spooky Pack was the same price, so it was 25 coins, just like the Blizzard Pack. Anyway, we almost only have about 1,000 coins left to go through, so I'm probably not going to get Chroma, as we can only open a few more boxes, but it was still fun to record this, as I said about 3 times earlier. But now we have 999. We're getting some coins. We're almost done. We just need a few more packs. And we got another Santa Claus, which it's kind of strange that we still haven't gotten any chromas yet after going through over 17,000 coins. But even if I don't get a chroma, it's still fine because I'll have a ton of Christmas stuff and I won't even have to do it next year. But anyway, we only have about a few more. So I guess we can just go through that. 499 now, or below 500. We can just perhaps speed this up a little bit, I guess. But really, we've done it so many times. Alright, we only have 99 coins left, so let's do these slowly. A holiday gift, snow globe, holiday gift. And we just spent all the coins on the Blizzard Pack, and well, we did not get any chromas on this try, but we have a lot of them, so I guess we can just sell them, which will probably get us a lot of coins. Judging from the fact that we can sell them for over 200 coins and 75, then we're probably going to have probably about a few thousand, because I've never, as I've said, I only did this with the Spooky Pack, and it only was for about 1,000 tokens, so not as impressive as this. So I can sell a lot of them and then still have a lot to sell after that. So it's kind of really cool, the fact that I can get a lot of coins from this. But we're probably not going to get a chroma, judging from the fact that they're really rare this year. Which I said already, and they've retired some of the popular chromas. And now we have 9,000 coins. Oh my god, jeez. Okay, we'll just speed this up again until we get a chroma, and then that's the only reason why we'll stop. Alright guys, so the recording says it's actually been 23 minutes. I've been here for 23 minutes opening this pack, which is around like 9:50 because I started recording this at around 9:50 a.m. in the morning. And it's about 10:15 right now, so I've been recording this for a long time. I'll probably take up a lot of my storage, and if it gets cut off, then I can't do anything about that because I can't get any more coins today. So this has to be recorded in entirely one take. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We got the chroma, guys. Finally, we got a chroma. After all that long work, the chroma. The thing we've been waiting for this whole time. Now that I'm satisfied, we've finally gotten the chroma. Now, I could just say, one chroma is possibly enough, but if we get more, if we get another one, then that's just pure luck, because I haven't gotten any in the last in those 17,000 coins that I had, and not until just right now. So, the light blue confetti spitting up means that there's a chroma, which I only have one of them. The green gummy bear, which probably won't be sold again next year, so that means that I'll have a rare chroma that nobody else has. Anyway, while we're on the topic of Christmas right now, then if you played Blooket for a while, then I bet you know about the contest of candy, because they held that this year, and I was thinking I was doing it, but I didn't really feel eager enough to answer the questions, and I was kind of busy that day, so I didn't really get anything, and I didn't even get close to the top 50, which the top 3 got the hamster claws, something like that. Alright guys, I've only just realized that this is going to take probably forever to finally finish recording, because first of all, we have to resell all of them, and then that's going to take a really long time, and I'm going to get a lot of coins from it, so the whole thing's just going to be reselling them, and then opening the pack again, reselling, we're just going to be doing that all over again, so, oh, and we got into the Santa Claus, which all of these aren't really, rare anymore because we've gotten them, a few times. But, we're still getting a lot of coins from this. So, maybe I feel like that if I keep talking here, then the video is going to be, over 20 minutes long. And that would be kind of a big, boring video to watch. So, maybe we should just speed this up again. And, until we possibly get a chroma or something. Or until we get it run out of coins, probably. Guys, I know it said that I would only end the speeding up if we got a chroma or hit some, or have to resell them again, but we've almost burned through 29 minutes of footage, and I feel like we should just end it right now and then try not to waste too much space, but I feel like I don't really want to make a part 2 here, because it'll be kind of boring. And I just want to squish it all into one video by speeding it up. So, I guess we can just do that again. stopping the pack for a second because while we're at it, I think that we should maybe buy something, like buy this, because I don't really feel like spending like all of them like too fast because we're just spending 700 coins on that. I don't know why I did that, but it won't take us that, but it'll shorten the time we take to open the pack, which will be a little while. So I guess we can just speed this up again. Guys, we got less than 1,000 coins now, finally, because I really want to just end this video in a little bit because I've been recording for more than 30 minutes now, and it's kind of getting boring, but we're still trying to get another chroma if we can. Probably not. But if we get a second version of the chroma that we already have, I can just sell that one, and then we have way more coins to do this. But I kind of just want to end the video around now. But it's kind of good because we only have a few more left. But since we started out with 17,000 and then sold everything and they got 9,000, we're going to be here for a long time. But we've been over here for almost 30 minutes. And I don't want to make this video like way too extremely long that I literally have no storage left and it cuts off almost all of it. And then I cannot upload this because if it cuts it off, then I cannot upload it because we have to record this all in one take. Okay, that was our last one for now. Let's see how many we have now. Alright, not as many as last time, but we can just sell all of them again like we did before, and we'll probably have like a ton of them. Because last year, since I only had about 1,000 coins, I only got a few. But like, I keep getting the snowman because it doesn't really deserve the title as a rare, as an epic, because you just keep getting it and then it stops becoming epic and it just becomes an uncommon. But like the Santa Claus is still can go down to epic because that's what it really deserves, kind of. But anyway, we're just selling all of them, and then I'll probably have like much more to do this. And then how much do we have now? 5,000. Okay, geez, that. So, but my predictions, we'll have to do this about 2 more times, and then we'll be able to finally complete this because my arm is kind of getting a little tired. So I'm just gonna switch to the other arm, and now we can just speed this up again. Got another Santa Claus. So anyway, I just said that we got Santa Claus. I don't know why, but now I have to stop the speeding up. So, but I just realized, so we have over 30 minutes of footage, and I have to add that to CapCut, which will probably make my storage go kablooey. And then if a 5-minute video takes forever to save, then how is this 30-minute video gonna save? Because I made an hour video on there once, and I didn't even bother trying to save it because I knew it was going to take so long to do it, because I do not want to waste time having to save this to my photos for the 3rd time because it does it twice. I don't know why, but it's probably for a good reason. So anyway, we only have 2,000. We have more than 2,000 coins left to go through, and it's just getting kind of boring now. And thinking about this again, I don't think that the quality of my voice isn't that good, because over here and the camera recording is over there, so I don't know if it's gonna catch my voice that good, but I'll just try to do it as best I can, because I'm not really as a big YouTuber. Like, I only have 2,000 subscribers, which sounds like a bigger number if you really think about it. If you really think about it, it's a big number, but like, I'm not like a professional. Like, I don't have like big cameras and stuff like some other people do. Like, I'm just recording this with my device, which isn't probably as good quality as say one of those cameras that just records. Like, I don't know what it's called. I'm not an expert. I'm not like the best with technology, but I'm probably really close. Anyway, we can just speed this up again because it's gonna really take a long time. Alright guys, and we have less than 1,000 coins left, and I've been recording this for almost 40 minutes, and I don't really want to stay here and just record this video. Like, I kind of want to do other things, but for the sake of you guys wanting to see if I get another chroma, which I probably won't since I already got one, and they're like 0.02% chance, and Santa Claus is 1%, so it'll kind of take like a while, but my hand is kind of getting like stuck in this position or something, but like I'm getting used to it or something. Like, I don't know what you would describe it as, but we only have 300 coins left, so this part's almost over, but we have to just resell them again and then have to do this all over again. I should probably do it about like 2 more times left. Like, there's probably like a lot more times left to go. So anyway, this is our last one for now. And then now that we're done, we can go look over here. And now we see that I've gotten the red sweater snowman chroma. And then we can go over here, and then we only got one Santa Claus this time, which is kind of strange, knowing the fact that I usually get a lot of them. But yeah, anyway, we've been here for like a long time. Not as long for you guys, because I've been doing this for so long that I'm kind of just getting tired of it, and I don't really want to do this again next year. But I might do it, the spooky pack, but I just need to know not to get so many coins because my arm is going to be cramping for like 15 minutes after I record the video. So now I know not to do this that much. And now we have 2,000 coins, which is not as many. We should probably do this about one more time, 1 or 2 more times. But anyway, let's just get back to recording. So now I'll just speed this up. Alright guys, sorry for the interruption and the speeding up, but we've gone through almost 40 minutes of footage, and I kind of think my iPad can't handle that much storage, so I might just pause the video and then restart it to see my storage, but probably not, since we're almost already done. Probably gonna be done in maybe like 10 or 15 minutes, but it probably can't be like an hour, because that's probably just gonna take up way too much storage, and then I'm gonna have to clear up a ton of stuff, and then the video is just gonna be deleted. So I just might as well end it right now. Okay guys, so we are back, and I paused the video, but it actually saved the whole thing, and it didn't really take up as much storage as I thought, because At first I had a, so normally the max is, so for my iPad the max is 256 gigabytes, and I kind of got barely any, like I don't remember how much I had before, but I only have like 245 out of 255, which isn't as much as I thought. Like I thought it would be like 250, but I guess a 40-minute video doesn't really take as much as I thought. So that doesn't mean I'm gonna record a lot of those kinds of videos and then save them, because like then eventually my storage will be entirely destroyed and I'll have to delete all of them and I'll have to lose all the recordings that I saved, and I don't really want that. So this is probably gonna be the last time I'm gonna do this, but like the amount's just gonna keep decreasing and decreasing until at one point I barely have any coins left. And I'm kind of ready for that moment, because now that I know that a 40-minute video can be saved, I could possibly just record this again or something. I don't know. Anyway, we can just speed this up until we run out. Alright guys, so we finally run out of coins again, and we can just sell them again, which I got more Santa Clauses than last time. So first of all, we had 17,000, and then it went down to 9,000, and then 2,000. So I don't know how much we'll have this time. Maybe around a few hundred or 1,000, or who knows. Like I don't even know myself. But I feel like a common error that I would do here is accidentally sell all of them and then have to re-get it all again, but I can't get it, and then I run out of coins, and then that'll be really bad. So, and I don't want to lose all of them. I don't want to lose all of one and then use all the coins for nothing, as I won't have the full collection. Which I still need 2 more chromas, but I probably won't ever get them. So anyway, we still have 1,000 coins to burn through, so I guess we'll just speed this up again. Okay, sorry the camera fell down again, because I tried to get a stand for this, but it probably isn't working, so I guess we'll just keep going. But I don't think we should just speed this up, because we're already almost out of coins, and now we've just run out again, so we can just go here. And then now at this point, we don't really have that much left. And in fact, we don't have any Santa Clauses. We don't have any more Santa Clauses to sell. And now we only have a few more at this point, and I'll probably be only do this about a few more times, and then we'll have to end the video, which I'm kind of really ready for. Anyway, ever since October, I was ready to open this pack, and then I started grinding for it in early December, as I already stated earlier in the video. And now how much do we have? 1,000 still, which is still quite a lot. Oh, snowman on first try. And now we already have less than 1,000, which burning through all of these will still take a long time. And I've been here for almost maybe around an hour. And I'm kind of just ready to get up and get out of here and do something other than just spam clicking on my computer and actually just go do some stuff. But I got permission to do this, but I didn't actually specify how long I'd be in here, and I said no interruptions. But anyway, still have 400 left to go, which isn't that much when you really look at it. But I don't think that it's worth speeding this up as we're almost about to run out and I'm probably still going to be talking. But anyway, we'll probably only do this like 1 or 2 more times. Like 3 times is the max that I think we're going to do it. But anyway, we're at 100 coins now and we only have... Alright, and we're done again and we can just sell them once again. And we're probably not going to get any more Santa Clauses. We're probably out of luck for those anyway. First we started out with 17,000 and then 9,000, then 1,000, then 2,000, then 1,300, and then 1,000 once again. So now I'm probably gonna burn through these like not really too many more times. But I'm kind of just ready to just end it, because I've been over here for so long and I kind of just want to go, but we're still doing this. And anyway, now how much do we have? 589. Nice, we're getting to the low numbers now. So we can just speed this up again until I run out of coins, because I probably don't really have much to say. Again, we are out of them, and now we barely have that much because we only had 589, I think it was. So we're almost done. We're probably gonna only have like 200 or 300 or something this time. Oops. Anyway, we're almost done. So these 4, and then how much do we have now? 244. Probably gonna do this about 1 or 2 more times. Who knows? I don't even know. Anyway, there's probably no point in speeding this up anymore, as we only gotta click it a few more times, and then we're entirely out. Anyway, and now we're done again. So we didn't even get any snowman or anything. No gingerbread houses. No gingerbread man. Like, we're starting to not get some of the rares and epics and stuff. We're probably not gonna even get any snowman now at this point. We'll probably only have like 100 or something. Like, we didn't even get any. Okay, now we only have 94, which is not too much, but we can still go for it. And we're done again, kind of quick. So now, at this point, we could probably just end the video if I wanted to, but I won't. And I'll just do the grand finale boxing. So this is our last one. So, probably gonna get a combination. And we are finally done with recording this. And my arm has been doing that the whole time, and it's kind of getting tired and stuff. But we are done, and we ended the game. We ended it all with the whole Blizzard Pack, and even the red sweater snowman chroma. Anyway, thank you guys for staying here for the whole video. Maybe you would have clicked off by now, but I wouldn't wait this long, but the video is probably going to be shorter anyway, so bye guys. See you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Happy holidays.